Okay guys, in this video what I'm going to show you how to do is do the logical AND, do a logical OR, and do a logical NOT using bits. So we could keep this chart here. We could sort of ignore this for now, but I'll show you how this works. So let's say I give you the value, I don't know, 0, 0, 1, 1. And then I'm going to AND it. I'm going to AND it with 1, 1, 1, 1. Let me explain how AND works. 1 and 1 yields a 1. 1 and 1 yields a 1. 1 and 0 yields a 0. And 1 and 0 yields a 0. So if I AND these two numbers together, I get 0, 0, 1, 1. That's it. So AND means, here's the truth table for AND. We're going to put a quick little truth table here. So we're going to say the first bit, we're going to say 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And now we're going to put AND. And let's do OR. So AND is this. 0 and 0 is 0. All right. So 0 and 0 is 0. 0 or 0 is 0. 0 and 1. That's false and true is false. False or true is true. 1 and 0 is 0. 1 or 0 is 1. 1 and 1 is 1. And then 1 or 1 is 1. Okay, that's it. That's the truth table. So when we OR it, like let's take this same thing. And we'll OR it. 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1. Easy peasy. All right, so the last operation we're going to go over is NOT. NOT just works on one bit. NOT just works on one bit. So NOT, so if I do this, NOT 0 equals 1, and NOT 1 equals 0. Again, that's just for an inversion. That's all that is. That's an inverter. It inverts 0 to 1, or false to true, and inverts true to false. And make sure that, so false and false is false, false and true is false, true and false is false, true and true is true. So with AND, the only one that's true is if they're both true, and OR, they're always all true except if they're both false. Okay? That's it. So hopefully you understand this. Thank you for watching.